This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Monkey King is a grade 3 Vanguard with 15k base power and an ability called Only Way. Only Way manipulates soul and grants power boosts when you soul blast and retire rearguards. The card relies on building a 6+ card soul and keeping 2+ rearguards for activation. To play it effectively, prioritize early soul charging through stride, search, and retire effects, and avoid wasting soul blast on marginal plays. Track soul count on turns 2 and 3, and plan to reach 6 cards by your turn when you to use Only Way. Ride to Monkey King on turn 3 and have at least 2 rearguards with soul. Pay the cost. Soul blast the required number and retire specified rearguards to resolve Only Way. Only Way grants staggered boosts. First increase Vanguard by set values, then add follow-up effects based on remaining soul. Timing matters. Activate during your main attack step after drive checks when you can capitalize on power spikes. Confirm you still have required board presence post-retire to avoid losing field pressure. Save Only Way trigger until opponent commits to a 3 or more attacker push to gain 10k shield per rearguard sacrificed. Combine with stride or order cards that return units to hand so you can retire and redeploy the same value repeatedly. When low on hand, prioritize soul charging over drawing to maintain 6+ soul for future Only Way uses. Defensively, use Only Way to blunt lethal attacks by timing retirement after their drive checks. Offensively, activate post-drive to maximize surprise damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.